Unsteadiness in walking, hesitation with certain activities, or fear of stairs can hinder us from living a full life, but they don't have to. That's why we created the Safe Landing Workshop at Heather Lane PT. We see how falls impact the lives of our patients, and we want to get ahead of this problem. And that's because this physical therapist designed 4-week workshop is the first of its kind in Denver. With structured activities and education, we can prepare you with fall safety skills for when you need it most. Whether hiking with a friend or traveling with your grandchildren, we want you to pursue your passions without hesitation. Throughout the course, we address hip mobility, reaction time, leg power, and most importantly, learning to fall safely. Our workshop is designed for adults who can perform at least 2 of the following tasks. Number 1, you can get on and off a low chair or couch without using your hands. Number 2, you can get onto and off from the floor without outside assistance, like a chair or a couch. And lastly, you can navigate stairs without a handrail. So we're looking that you can do 2 of the 3 of those tasks. The coursework is full of opportunities to progress and modify the movements according to your ability level. For example, one of the mobility tests in this workshop involves the lunge movement. It's an essential building block in rising from the ground. And if this is easy for you, we can add resistance. But if this task is difficult for you, we will add assistance. The intimate class size allows us to customize the course to your unique needs. This engaging and interactive workshop builds your confidence from the ground up. Registration is open for our upcoming 4-week workshop here at Heather Lane headquarters, located on the 3rd floor of the Forum Building at 425 South Cherry Street, Suite 380 in Glendale. Don't be scared, be prepared. Register today.